Let's get unready. Tonight I'm going to show you the skincare I've been talking about. I have on a full face of makeup, so that's a good place to start. My usual situation is that I have a full face of makeup. I'm going to put my hair up and out of my way. So that I can show you. I'm using one of these. These are really nice. They don't leave crinkles in your hair, and they're comfortable to pile your hair on top of your head at night. Okay, I'm going to get my bangs out of the way. The company is Pellu, and it comes packaged really pretty, really pleasing, aesthetically pleasing. Wrapped in tissue. It's got a sticker there, Pellu. And this is the way it comes. This is a cruelty-free company, dermatologist tested. I'm going to start with the cleansing cream, and they recommend that you keep these products away from your eyes, so I will. Comes with a sponge. It's hard when you first get it, so you soak it for a few minutes in some water. It doesn't take it long to soften up. I have a towel here. You add some of the cleanser to the sponge. The packaging is beautiful, isn't it? And then the sponge is soft enough that it doesn't scrub. I don't feel like it scrubs. I gently massage the cleansing cream over my face. I'm going to get all my contour down my neck and on my chest, since these are the areas that we are usually concerned with when we're applying our makeup. Our face and our skincare continues all the way down, right? The fragrance in this has a light, pleasing fragrance. It smells like spa. It's a pleasant. The whole process of getting ready or doing my skincare at night is very pleasing, very enjoyable. This dark spot on my nose is some sun damage. It's not any stubborn makeup. All right, I have my makeup removed and my face is cleansed. Now let's rinse. Pat dry. After cleansing, my face feels soft and dewy. It feels really good. It's not tight or uncomfortable. You can see how my skin looks. I've been using this skincare treatment, this skincare for about 2 weeks now. When I'm through with my sponge, I hang it like this to dry. The next step is to the toner. It's also packaged beautiful. It's a glass bottle. I'm using a cotton round. This also smells like spa. I bring this down my neck and on my chest also. And if my cleanser left any makeup, this takes the remainder of it off. For any of you who like to double cleanse, you could use your Bioderma first to remove your makeup, and then use this as your second cleanse. My face still feels good. It feels soft and dewy. That was not uncomfortable. And now my skin is prepared to apply my moisturizer. They send little scoops. I got 2 of them. This one I've already used, but I wanted to show you the cute packaging it comes in. I believe it's bamboo. And here's the moisturizer. It also comes in a pretty package. Comes in yellow. And it also, if I needed to describe the fragrance, I'd say it's fruity. And since my skin has been gently exfoliated, my skin readily accepts the moisturizer. And I gently massage it in. Bring it down my neck and onto my chest. It feels so nice. There's no irritation. It doesn't sting my eyes. Even though some of my moisturizers that I use that I keep away from my eyes, somehow they wick up into my eyes and they burn. This I have not experienced any of that with this. And it's completely absorbed. It feels really good. I have not been using an eye cream with this. I guess from bringing it up to bone, I get the benefits in my eye area also. The customer service at Pellu is very friendly, and I asked them if I could do a review on their product and share it with my subscribers. And they kindly gave me a discount code for their website. So I'm going to include their website in the description box and the discount code. I strongly encourage all of you girls who are currently looking for a new skincare to give Pellu a try. I think you'll really enjoy it. Hear me now and thank me later. Give it a try. You're not going to regret it. It feels really good.